Hello, kiddies. It's time to learn three-letter words.
Okay, teacher, let's learn.
S-A-T is sat.
SAT is sat.
S-A-T is sat.
SAT is sat.
M-A-T is mat.
MAT is mat.
M-A-T is mat.
MAT is mat.
H-A-T is hat.
HAT is hat.
H-A-T is hat.
HAT is hat.
B-A-T is bat.
BAT is bat.
B-A-T is bat.
BAT is bat.
B-O-Y is boy.
BOY is boy.
B-O-Y is boy.
BOY is boy.
B-I-G is big.
BIG is big.
B-I-G is big.
BIG is big.
A-S-K is ask.
ASK is ask.
A-S-K is ask.
ASK is ask.
A-R-M is arm.
ARM is arm.
A-R-M is arm.
ARM is arm.
A-P-E is ape.
APE is ape.
A-P-E is ape.
APE is ape.
A-N-T is ant.
ANT is ant.
A-N-T is ant.
ANT is ant.
Y-E-S is yes.
YES is yes.
Y-E-S is yes.
YES is yes.
A-N-D is and.
AND is and.
A-N-D is and.
AND is and.
V-A-N is van.
VAN is van.
V-A-N is van.
VAN is van.
F-A-T is fat.
FAT is fat.
F-A-T is fat.
FAT is fat.
Z-O-O is zoo.
ZOO is zoo.
Z-O-O is zoo.
ZOO is zoo.
B-E-E is bee.
B is bee.
B-E-E is bee.
B is bee.
W-A-X is wax.
WAX is wax.
W-A-X is wax.
WAX is wax.
B-A-R is bar.
BAR is bar.
B-A-R is bar.
BAR is bar.
B-E-E is bee.
BEE is bee.
B-E-E is bee.
BEE is bee.
B-A-Y is bay.
BAY is bay.
B-A-Y is bay.
BAY is bay.
C-A-T is cat.
CAT is cat.
C-A-T is cat.
CAT is cat.
Y-A-K is yak.
YAK is yak.
Y-A-K is yak.
YAK is yak.